why you got to put your kickstand down as well. What is this guy doing? Like, he like... I don't know if that helps her EUC better. Bro, do you... Is he trying to help her or like make it worse on her? Like, hey, I'm gonna fucking hang on your back and let's see. To his credit, he's a good fucking backwards rider. I'll give him that. Fuck. I don't think I've seen anyone on a video do that. It's fucking wild. No one even sees it, but I see it. He's gonna do the whole thing. Let's light him up. This guy's gonna hold the record, guys, for biggest, longest fucking reverse. He's going 28. He's going 30. Holy shit. This guy's been killing it going backwards. Look at the guy on the unicycle. He's going backwards. This has to be a record. This has to be a record. Fuck yeah, bro. Fuck yeah. Oh, shit. Holy fuck. This will be unedited. Fucking for... I'm gonna give this guy the credit he deserves. It's so good. Go ahead, bro, get it. Oh shit! Fucking wild! I mean, think about the potholes and everything. Can you do that?
Not that good.
I can't even ride backwards. I ride, but I'm a 25, 30 mile per hour guy. Not a backwards 30 mile per hour guy. Oh, that was too much, man. That fucking dude riding backwards, 30 miles per hour.
It's easy. No, love's insane.
I gotta give that credit.
Were you able to do this on the regular?
That was sick, brother.
Yeah. Thank you, bro.
I got the whole unedited thing, so YouTube on the Electric Life. I'm gonna give you credit, man. Fuck yeah. Yeah.